Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. It's time for another Mixed Media Mayhem layout, and I haven't played along with Mixed Media Mayhem for a few months, so I'm really excited to get onto this one. And today we are scrap lifting this layout that was submitted by Helen Ding. Now I don't know if it's one of her layouts or she just liked it and wanted us to use it as inspiration. I'm not sure. So what I'm using is lots of different things. Now I am doing the mixed media component using the new pigment powders by Uniquely Creative, and the color I've got is rose pink, which is this beautiful pink. So I'm going to have a play with that. A few other things. The layout is the mixed media in the middle with the striped paper down the side, and then what looks like a glimmer paper or like another thin strip of paper there. So I'm using this Love Heart paper, which is just a scrap that I had down the side, so it's going to be in replace of the stripes. And then I've got 3 different papers here and I can't decide what to use. They're all specialty. I have like a vellum, which has like the clear through bits. I have pink glitter paper, or I have pink foil paper. So I'm not sure which I'm going to use yet, and we'll see as I go along what takes shape. And then I just got an assortment of embellishments. Now what I did was go through my coloured boxes. You've heard me probably mention these before, and they are just boxes of odd embellishments. So when I finish playing with a collection and I want to break it apart now, I don't want to use it like all together anymore, or I have odd pieces left over from another layout, like for example these butterflies I made for another layout and I have these ones spare, things like that, I just pop into their coloured box. So I went through the pink box and the black box, and that is where all my embellishments have come from, and that's what I plan on using for this layout. I did pull out these puppy stickers because I think I want to use the stars in replace of enamel dots at the end. I've got some alpha stickers out because my heading is going to be in 3 different parts, and I just needed 2 words that I didn't have pre-made sort of headings for. So I've got that for them, for that, all right, whatever. Yeah, and so I'm just going to get on with it and we'll see what happens. Okay, there is my completed layout. So I did the mixed media background. I was really pleased with how that came out. And yeah, a little bit goes a long way. So you just need to really gently tap, otherwise you end up with a lot of pigment on there. But I like how it came out. I went with the foil on the sides because I didn't like the glitter. It was like too much of a different color. It just didn't, I don't know, it just didn't work. And the acetate was definitely looking more purple put against the paper than it was pink. So I think it turned out okay with the odd embellishments that I found in my pink and black boxes. The heading was already die cut out on self-adhesive paper, so I just had to peel that off and put that down, which worked out really well. I managed to get the puffy little stars on and the acrylic hearts. Yeah, it's definitely not my style, but I think it's okay. I probably need to add, actually thinking about it now, I probably need to make like these in clusters of 3. So I probably need to put something else down here, something else here. I can move that one across. I'll use something else, and then maybe something up here. So I might actually grab some jewels and add them, and you'll see them, whatever I decide to use, in the final picture. Alright, so make sure you check out below everyone else who is playing along with Mixed Media Mayhem. There's also a Facebook group where you can join and create your own layouts and put them in the appropriate album for the inspiration for that particular week. So thank you for watching. I hope you've liked this. If you have, please give me the thumbs up. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that subscribe button and the notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.